So you just bought a brand new pair of glasses and your lenses are scratched. It's super frustrating when you're looking through a scratch. It's super distracting and annoying. I've been there. So what do? Well, one of the things I recommend to people is check on the warranty. Many people don't know that your lenses could come with a warranty. Ours at Enjoy Optical, we do a 2-year warranty. And this is actually from the manufacturer. The anti-reflective coating manufacturer warranties their lenses on the scratch coating for, in many cases, 2 years. And so ask your optometrist, ask your optical shop, and that could be a solution that is perfect for you. If not, I do want you to keep in mind that even if your lenses aren't under warranty, you can replace your lenses. And so many people don't know this, but you can save the price of the frame and you can add brand new lenses to your old frame. And so keep this in mind next time you see a scratch or you get frustrated by it. Remember, you have options. The other thing I wanted just to let you know, if you don't know about something called crazing. So anti-reflective coatings, especially premium anti-reflective coatings, they're actually baked into the lens. So they're inside of the lens. It's actually a process that is very similar to an oven that is baked into the inside of these lenses. Well, when there's extreme heat or extreme cold, so this can come across as a very cloudy experience in your lenses. They're actually micro fissures. If you're not wearing your glasses, take them out of your car or in the extreme heat or the extreme cold, and that will help avoid the crazing. But hopefully this has helped. Share with a friend that could use this information. And I'm sorry your lenses are scratched, but you do have some options, and keep these in mind next time you see a scratch.